Hey, Sophie, what'd the ghost say to the wall?
I don't know.
Hey, just passing through.
Really?
Oh, yeah. That feels so nice. Don't judge me. What are you looking at? I don't want to speak to you anymore. No. What? Huh? Oh, what a nice day. Yeah, so I said to him, I was just like, what the? Oh, screw you.
I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me.
Holy crap, what was that?
I don't know. Let's take a look.
What is it?
Must have been like an ant or something. Okay.
Huh? Huh? Oh! 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 Oh!
Wow, this looks like as good a spot as any. There goes that ant again.
Oh!
Hello.
Maybe if I don't move, she won't see me. Been meaning to ask you, have you seen my bowl anyway? I can't find it. It's not over there. It's not there either. Not there. Oh! Oh, was that it over there? Oh, that could be it. Oh, I don't know. Better go have a look. Shoom! What was that? That was your life, mate. Oh, well that was quick. Do we get another? Sorry, mate, that's your lot. Oh well, back to the world of dreams. Oh. Well, that's awkward.
Hey. Bye.
Are you sure I'm a dog? But are you quite sure?
Huh? Huh? Oh,